What's up? It's Aaron here, and I just want to show you how I made $8,713, right? Using old school methods like Facebook. This is not AI, and a lot of people love talking about AI. And don't get me wrong, AI is cool, but it can be pretty complicated, okay? It's not as simple as a lot of people think. So I'm going to show you how I generated this, and anyone can do this if you know the strategy. I'm going to literally teach you the strategy today, so make sure you grab a pen and a piece of paper. Save this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, okay? I'm just going to refresh this screen right here. My hands are up. You can see it refreshed, right? So this is my page, right? You can see my name right here, AC Aaron Chen, okay? Let me just show you my PayPal account right now as well. I'm gonna get my team to block out all of this, but you can see that, the dates are right there. It's very, very current. A few $100 every single other day or so, right, this month. So $100, 166, 139, 779, 54, 82. So there's multiple ways that the income is coming in, right? And I'm doing it all through this particular platform right here, Facebook, right? Facebook, a lot of people think that it's dead. It is not dead at all. There's still some great opportunities here, right? And it all comes down to generating traffic. That's really, really important. Okay, so let me explain how I did this, how I generated this kind of income. Look, this is my strategy. I can't guarantee any income, but I think that if you follow exactly what I'm doing here, you should be getting the right results as well. You just have to remember that you have to take action. That's really important. You got to take action. You got to be consistent, because everything comes down to action and consistency. Okay, so a lot of people think that Facebook is dead, but it's not. There are still literally hundreds of millions of people on Facebook, right? And this is my Facebook profile. Okay, and I want to show you something really cool about this. Is I've had this profile for a long time, but for ages I literally had like 2,000 to 3,000 followers following me. Now that might sound like a lot, but 2,000 to 3,000 followers on Facebook is really nothing. Okay, you can't really generate any money from that. And then in the last 6 months, this blew up to 260,000 followers. It's crazy, right? I've never known how to grow my Facebook account, and all of a sudden there's been like this resurgence when you understand how to do it right. So I'm going to teach you that strategy today. Okay, so if you want to learn to generate income through social media, this is one of the strategies that I deploy. All right, so the way that I actually generate my income on the back end is by selling digital products. Okay, so I combine social media with digital products, and basically people have a problem that they're trying to solve, so I go to that specific niche. I find a digital product from one of the big networks out there, and you can just Google very easily, digital marketing network, right? Find the right product, and you build a simple sales funnel. By the way, if you want to learn how to do all this stuff, like build out the sales funnel, pick the products and all that stuff, I've got a training that you can check out right in the description below, okay? But today I'm going to talk more about getting attention, and that's actually really, really important, because even if you have the product, even if you have the sales funnel, if you don't get this part right, which I'm showing you right here, right now, you're not going to be able to make any sales at all. You can't generate any commissions. So getting attention is actually one of the most important things, right? There's many ways to get attention. You can do it on TikTok, on Instagram, on Snapchat. You can do paid ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, things like that. I'm going to show you how to do it for free just using your Facebook profile, okay? So most people have a Facebook profile, right? This is my profile right here, Aaron Chen TW. I've had this page for a while, and the way that I did it, right? And this is my personal profile, by the way. This is not a business profile. This is not a business page. This is my personal profile, right? Now, what you do is basically, initially what you need to do is you need to get as many friends as you can, okay? So you might have like 500 friends, maybe 1,000 friends, all right? Now, if you want to increase your friend base, all you need to do is just go and start liking people in your space, all right? So let's just say you're in the dog training space. Come up to the search engine right here and type out dog training or dogs or whatever, right? Whatever you're interested in, okay? Now, what we want to do then is we want to find groups that are in the dog space or whatever niche you're in. If you're in the business space like me, then look for the business niches, right? Business groups. But let's just say if you're in the dog space, go and look for all the different dog training spaces, right? And just join all the different groups. Just join here, join here, join here, right? And you can see all of them. And you'll see in any category, whether it's cooking, whether it's getting jacked, whether it's losing weight, whether it's getting married, whether it's learning how to quit smoking, there will be groups on Facebook with all of them. Look at this group here, 458,000 members. Crazy, right? So you can join any of these groups, and once you go inside, what I would do is I would just like a bunch of people. Sorry, I would follow a bunch of people. Okay, request for them to be your friend. All right, and this is just the way that it works. Is that people will see that you've requested, that you've asked for them to be a friend, and a certain percentage of them will just approve you, okay? And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to connect with people that are interested in the niche that we want to sell in. Whatever your niche is, okay? It can be anything. Anything that you enjoy. If you enjoy collecting bees, honey from bees, go and find a bee group, okay? There are probably like 10 or 20 bee groups out there, all right? And so you just like a bunch of people. What you can also do is you can come into these groups, like the dog lover group. Every single day you can come in and you can maybe just drop a post that's valuable, okay? So let's just say this is the dog group, right? You can maybe just find a dog quote, okay? Funny dog quote, or even like useful dog quote. It can be anything, right? And there's like, 40 here that you can just go and grab, right? And you can just copy this, okay? It doesn't matter if it has a link or whatever, right? Just go ahead and grab it. And you can edit this on Canva. You can use AI to do it. You can just right click and you can copy it, okay? You can even come back here into images, right here. Come to images at the top of Google and you'll find a bunch of quotes, okay? Like check this out, right? Whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend, never had a dog, something like that. I would just save this, okay? Save this as an image onto your computer. And then you would come back into the group here and you would just drop the picture into 10 groups a day or 20 groups a day, okay? Look, you got to do a bit of work, right? I'm showing you how to do this from scratch, okay? So what's going to happen over time is, number one, you're liking a bunch of people. Maybe 20, 30% of them will like you as a friend. And then as you're dropping valuable content in these very niche specific groups that you're interested in selling in, right? People will see your posts and they will request for friendship because they know that you're interested in the same thing that they're interested in, dogs, all right? So then what happens now is over time, so just do that for the next 1 to 2 weeks, okay? Over time, what will happen is your friend base will grow, right? So now you're attacking people or you're exposing yourself to people in your niche. I'm in the business space, so I'll do the same thing in the business space. And a whole bunch of people are going to start to follow me, right? Then what I do is after I have a bunch of friends, maybe, 500, 1,000, 2,000, then this is where the strategy starts, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to go and find content that is interesting and helps people to add more value to their lives or solve problems in their space, okay? So let's just imagine that this right here is a dog training chart. So instead of AI tools or business, it might be dog training. It can be anything, right? But you can go and find these types of things on using, just going straight to Google. You can type out stuff like, how to stop my dog from peeing on the carpet, right? And see if you can find it in a visual format, right? So check this out, okay? Right here, look at this. How to remove dog pee from the carpet with vinegar. This is very valuable. So I would literally take this and I would save it if I was in the dog space and I would post it on my profile, okay? Right here. I would come in here. I would come right here. I would choose the picture. I would save it onto my computer. Let's just say, this was the image, right? I would open it there and then I would literally just post this. So let's just say this was the dog training one and I would literally just post it, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to do this 20 times a day, okay? So I know that sounds like a lot, but this is a volume game. Okay, when it comes to social media, when it comes to free posting, you've got to do volume, otherwise people are not going to notice. So if you're doing this once a day, it's not going to be worth your time, okay? So what you can do is, I would post this immediately, but then I would schedule one every single hour. So I'll click next. I would come here to scheduling options, and then the next one would be at 7:40 p.m., for example, right? So I would keep doing that. I would go out onto the internet, find valuable postings, right? And I would just post one every single hour, okay? So what it looks like then is it will look something like this, okay? So you can see a post here. Mine is in the business space. I'm giving people resources, teaching them what to do, AI stuff, right? Business stuff, right? 35 different tools that you can make, right? 12, free tools, things like this, okay? Now, I'm posting every hour, by the way, all right? But I don't have to, do it for 20 hours a day. I literally just go and do the research, find all the content, and then I schedule it. And so I do this very quickly in, 1 or 2 hours, okay? And then you schedule it out and it will go out automatically. Now, in between, what you can do is you can also create videos if you want, right? Now, I'm a marketer, so I create a lot of content on different videos, on different platforms like Instagram and TikTok. So what I'll do is I will repost my videos from Instagram and TikTok onto Facebook as well. Because I'm talking about the same thing. I'm talking about business, I'm talking about income, I'm talking about growing businesses and stuff like that, right? So I can just repost it here. And what's going to happen is you're going to see people share it. Okay, so let me show you right here. So when I post, and it doesn't only have to be pictures, it can be, you can create like a Canva post in Canva like this, right? And you can see people, look at the metrics right here, right? So you've got 76 thumbs ups, 41 comments, and 15 shares. Now, the shares is where the magic happens. The more people share your stuff, the more of their friends are going to see it, and the more of their friends are going to see it, right? So we want to post stuff that is interesting to our niche. All right, stuff that people can use, resources, tools, actual problem-solving stuff. So if you're in the dog training space, for example, and you're posting what I showed you earlier, right, like this one right here, this is very handy for people that have a dog but don't know anything about removing dog pee from their carpet with a natural thing, which is vinegar, right? So this is really, really cool. So people who have dogs, they will find this really, really valuable, and they might share that. So the more that they share it, the more exposure that you get on your channel, on your profile right here, okay? So what happens then is people come back and they see your stuff. They'll be like, oh, who is this person? Aaron Chen, blah, 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 blah. They'll come, they'll check you out. Maybe they'll follow you. And this is how my follower base went from a couple of thousand to 260,000 followers, all right? So that's how you get attention. Now, what's the next thing? Now we want to get leads, okay? Because from the attention, we want to get people to opt into our capture page, right? And then become a lead and go through our sales funnel, okay? So what I do now is I have like a call to action right here. So this is who I am, right? Ex-corporate slave. I make $1,000 a day using social media. And if you want to check it out, there's, I point down, and when they click on this, they will go basically to my capture page. Okay, so I'm not going to show you my capture page because I don't want the whole of YouTube to copy my exact capture page, but let me give you an example of what a capture page looks like, right? So a capture page can look like this. This is an example, obviously, right? Because the year and everything is not accurate, but this could be basically, you can create this on ClickFunnels, on Kartra, any funnel builder, lead pages, WordPress. It's very easy to do this, right? So someone lands here, if they're in the business space, this might be interesting to them. And if they want to learn more, they will click on here, they will enter their email address, and then they will opt in and go through the funnel, and then you recommend them digital products on the back end. That's how it works, okay? And you can customize this for dog training, for marriage, for learning how to stop smoking, anything, any niche, right? Because you want to match people to the product that you're trying to sell. I hope that makes sense, okay? So that is the strategy in a nutshell, all right? So what we want to do is we want to do this as much as possible. Now, the way that I would do it is if you're first getting started, I would do this yourself. 1 to 2 hours a day, build out the content, like people in groups, and then just basically post a bunch of valuable content on your profile. Slowly people will see it, they'll share it, they'll comment. You can interact with people. That's, it's social media, right? You got to be social, yeah? And this is what you can do on the side, right? So you come back home from your day job and literally do this 1 to 2 hours every single day. This is an old school strategy that works this year. This is really, really, it's a great strategy. I'm generating most of my leads from Facebook right now. It's crazy. And you can go viral because when you're posting 20 times, 30 times a day, a lot of people are sharing it. And now, even though this doesn't look like a lot of people are sharing it, remember there are 20 posts, right? So they add up. And it stacks up every single day. Now, I'll teach you a trick. Later down the line, if you don't want to do this yourself, you can hire a virtual assistant from a website like Upwork, okay? And that's what I did. So I was building this strategy myself eventually. And then later on, I came to Upwork.com and I hired a virtual assistant to do all of this for me. So now I don't do any of these posts. I literally pay them $4 an hour. I hire them, I taught them how to do it, and then they just do it. And now it's automated fully, right? So this is exactly how I learned, number one, to get attention, okay? How people find me, how people end up following me, and then people click on my link right here. They go into my sales process. They leave their email address because they want to learn about business. They want to learn about making money online. They go through my funnel, and then I recommend them a product on the back end, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can literally take this and replicate this for yourself. You don't need to learn any complicated AI stuff or anything like that. Just learn the basics, take action. And if you want to learn how to create the capture page, create the value series, create the backend, how to choose products, how to really profit on the backend, I've got a very deep masterclass that will show you how to do that. All right. So if you want to check that out, that is in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought as well. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I always come up with content like this, and I will see you on the next one.